Oh, come here, 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 come here. Epic family. They're gonna ask, yes, it's an old video. But me come across it today and to do a reaction video for it.
A cheat, a baby. No, I'm working again. No! You have a big love, you're bad! Watch out. Put the bike on the road. No. Yo, me say, I'm a cheat, I'm on my reverse. Listen, this is history.
I can't guess what this.
That's a no. I'm good enough to...
Swim more than no.
Cut the back. Here. My bro, this one. Hey, the boy I look back where? Watch it. Spin don't cut him out. Pull on him. Must spin it. Stop. Hold on. Stop now. Come here, man.
No, I'm not a liar. Him can drive. The youth that him can yes, the bike man have to try hard to keep up. The bike man have to try hard to keep up with the little youth. Yes, people, it's an old video. Yes, you don't have to remind me. It's an old video. We got that out of the way now? We got that out of our systems? Tell me it's not still a good video. I don't remember several years ago. I think this was Sentence. Don't hold it against me. But no, that boy I can drive, him can drive so till. Yo, the man have out the police them, you know. When I see the next police, I'm have to take out them camera and I video him or him have the bike police. And it's a young youth. So imagine 10 more years underneath him belt. Them youth if you drive a Dover. Them youth if you drive some racing car. A Dover them for there. And when they call Marosa up here, Dover, Jamaica, over there, so I'm for there. I drive for the country. No, man. And an easy skill it take for that, I can drive. I'm not the best in the world, I'm a driver. But me can't do that. Me cannot do that. I'm not playing no hero. Me can't do what I'm just do. Hear the liars them now. How much I want to? How much I want in the comment section can do that? And come close to that. How much I own? You have some ear down there and say them bad like that and how much I own bad so. Drop in the comment section. How much I own think you could have accomplished that with 2 police. I look on 2 police, mind you know. For all of the superhero them. Mind you look on a bike police where you can't out drive. Because it can't fit in at any space, corner, crevices, and then that like a police jeep and the pickup truck them, the Hilux them, that like one of the Hilux them now. So you have a 4x4 and you have a bike around you down. Imagine the pressure, that bus pipe, that the pressure that turn cool in a diamond. Excuse me? You think I easy pressure that for an average man? Show breadcrumbs. Yo, the youth there. Youth, I don't care what them say. A few can hold a steering there like you. Only in Jamaica, like the caption say. Jamaica, watching him go through water. And then you go down in the water and I say, yo, want him holy, you know. You holy, I don't lie. A quick thinking, the police think when the police goes and cut him off. Quick thinking. You finally get like a leeway, guy boy, oh, the road by the police, you know. Oh man, that video, it was funny then and it's funny now. If it's still funny to you, share it and give somebody else a laugh today. Share it for those that need to see and hear it. Please make sure you're following me on all platforms. Father Epic and Father Epic TV right around the board. Wherever you are, I am there. Search for me. Like, comment, share. That's the easiest way to support me. It don't cost a thing. Like, comment, share. If you're on YouTube, hit the notification bell. FB, hold on the like button, hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop. As they drop, say don't say beat, say pray. That being said, this is what the video ends. Excuse me? Show breadcrumbs. I'm Kerchief there. Excuse me?